What up, you terrific people? How's it going? This is Bharat here. Welcome back to yet another video. Hope you're all having a awesome day, and a lot of you guys had a lot of positive comments on my previous video. Thank you so much for that. And in this video, I'm going to be answering a similar question as well, which all of you have been asking for a lot of time. And is it data structures and algorithms required to go forward in a software development journey? Well, the answer is tricky, and I'm going to be trying to answer that in this video. So make sure to watch it till the end, and do not forget to like as well for this video. Also, I'm available on both Instagram as well as LinkedIn for a lot of you guys to answer questions. If you have any other questions, you can drop them there and I'll be able to answer you guys within one day at the max possible. Alright, time to go into the video. Don't forget to watch it till the end. Let's get this thing started. Alright, the question is very simple. Data structures and algorithms, is it required for software engineering programmers or even computer science engineers? Well, the difficult answer is that yes, it is definitely required. You cannot go forward with it, but it is not as much as required as a lot of you people or a lot of people out there project it. Most of the time when I'm talking about software development journey, like what I had so far, and even the programming journey that I've been having so far, I do understand that data structures and algorithms have played a vital role, starting from a simple bubble search to simple sort, merge sort. All of those things are algorithms that I learned in my first year and second year of college. As I went forward with things like developing a website, developing a mobile application, I soon did not find a need for writing or using those in any other way. Well, I did use sort algorithms, sorting methods that were just abstracted methods, and I had access to that method with a simple call like dot sort or dot bubble sort, things like that. Well, I did not have the need to implement that in any other place. Those things are very tricky because a lot of you people get carried away saying that it's a simple method call, I'll just be writing that and going forward with it. However, a lot of companies nowadays are asking for us to write the specific sorting algorithm or maybe the binary search algorithms to completely differently from scratch and not use inbuilt methods. That's a very tricky concept, right? If companies are asking for that, the interviews are asking for that, but as soon as you get into the job, nobody's using that. These are basically wrong techniques and interview techniques that have been used for so long and not people are correcting it. So my advice for software engineers out there is to not get carried away by the fact that you might not need it. Rather, you should be carried away with the fact that you will definitely require it at some point down the line. So it's always good to have that practice going. Alright guys, spare me 1 minute of your time to talk about the Codechef along with Unacademy's partnership, wherein they have come up with a very comprehensive competitive programming series. So this series is consisting of a lot of different modules which are free classes plus live classes which you can take up at own time. If you go to unacademy.com and find the competitive programming section, you will find that the course is taught by a lot of experts and not just some hook and crook on the road. So you'll be able to get a complete live class session, as well as at the same time you'll also be able to get practice tests which you can use to learn your data structures and algorithms completely. On the other hand, if you are interested in going for subscription itself, you'll find that the cost of it is about 6,000 per month, going to about 33,000 per year. I would highly recommend you guys to go for the 6-month or the 12-month subscription model, because not only do you get the entire thing for less than 2,700 rupees per month, you'll also go for the EMI option through that. Now, if you're thinking that this money is too much and I cannot be able to pay it, do not worry, because you can use my referral code or the referral code I've given in the description below to use, and you'll get 10% off on your purchase. You'll be able to also use the subscription at any time, at any point you want in the next 1 year. So you can learn it at your own pace, follow the live classes, ask your questions, and be able to understand the data structures and algorithms concepts much more clearly. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks again for Codechef as well as Unacademy for sponsoring us with this video. Let's move on. That's it for the good people who wanted to watch this, and I'm happy that I've given the right answer, and you can drop off if you want. But the hard truth is that if you are going to be understanding about software development itself, there will be no place where you will use it. That's the hard truth. I have been doing for the last 4 years with a fan company. Even though I've used, like I said, the sort algorithms and search algorithms, and even implemented linked hash maps and different things like that, in no place have I had the need to create a hash map by myself. I've had no place where I had to create a sort algorithm myself. I've had a need to create different algorithms which were possible because I understood the basics of data structures and algorithms. not the algorithm that itself that you learned in your second year or first year of college. So do not worry much about it, because what happens at the end of the day is that they test your understanding. They actually have give you that full arc of how software development should be done, and do not test more things about how much you have understood it, how much you can improve it, because those are for technical and academic study, not for the real world. Now, going with the next portion of things where we talk about what should a software developer do if he does not have strong understanding of data structures. Well, this simple answer is that you are in the wrong profession. You should not have become a software developer if you do not understand data structures and algorithms. Because if you start going through a traditional school or traditional program like computer science degree or IT degree, you will be taught data structures and algorithms at the beginning portion itself. The primary reason for that is because most often than not, if you do not understand the basics, there is like no way that you will understand the complex portion of it. There are a lot of parallel computing algorithms that I've learned. There are a lot of machine learning algorithms that I've learned. But the hard truth is that at the end of the day, you will not be able to always implement it again and again. However, that knowledge has always helped me. That's like saying that I do not want to understand the alphabets, but I'll be able to speak fluently. Well, that's not possible, right? You got to understand the alphabets first, and then only you can talk or you can say write things fluently. If you make a lot of grammatical mistakes, if you make a lot of punctuation mistakes, or even if you make vocabulary mistakes, that means that you have not understood the basics of the alphabets, the basics of your language completely. That's the truth for any other stream out there. So if the question is, should I learn data structures algorithm to be successful in life? You do not need to be successful in life. You don't hype it to that much level, because a lot of people might not use it at some point down the line. But the basic knowledge is definitely important, and that's what I wanted to make as part of this video. This one is a very short one, and I hope that you guys liked it. I don't want to drag it towards the end saying that yes, you have to do that, yes, you have to do this, and just that. That's not what I'm going to be doing. So if you guys like this video, definitely drop a like, subscribe, and do not forget to watch the next video as well. Let me meet you guys there. Until then, it's Bharat. Peace out. Have a super awesome day.